It's magnetic. Is this magnet?
No, that is. It is? What are you doing? You gonna take apart that laptop?
Yes.
You have to turn it upside down. That's just the screen. It ain't gonna do nothing. Turn it upside down and you can take apart. See what's on the inside of the computer.
Hold on.
That's just to take the drive out.
I want to take the drive out. See what the drive is?
Maybe one day you'll be able to fix Uncle Tommy's computer. Smart boy. So this is stuff you like to do?
Yes.
What? Take things apart?
I'm gonna take apart.
Oh look, because it has 2 more screws down it.
I'm gonna take it apart and then
Put it back together?
no, fix it.
Mm.
Can I have a bowl with the paint?
Well, for the screws. Put all your screws in there. My little engineer, Jesse Raudales. Love you.
I love you too.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
No, to the camera.
Bye-bye.